Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. You guys, I haven't been to the Dollar Tree in forever. Oh my goodness, so let's go ahead and look and see what I found. I had to go check it out. I knew some of the new Valentine's Day stuff was coming in. And so look at this. How cute is that? Home is where the heart is. It's got a nice little wooden heart there. And then it's got some ribbon hanging it. This would be perfect, you guys, just to hang up or for DIYs. This could be painted and redone however you'd like. What else did we get? This is another cute sign. It says welcome home. It's got a holder there and a holder and some rope, however you'd like to hang it. But again, cute sign for $1. You can put your keys there, or you can completely redecorate it. Again, another great DIY option. What else? Okay, I grabbed this 4x6. It's a white frame. I know I have enough frames, but this white one, just I know stuff can be made with it. So I had to grab that. I hadn't seen that one. Oh, these are for my old eyes. We got some reading glasses. So it's only $125, but still my eyes are getting old. What else did I get? Oh yes, the little baby Mickey, Mickey emojis is what it is. But look at the pencils. We've got Mickey and Donald. We've got a fun little notebook there, a sharpener and eraser, and I got this for my grandson. Why did I get this? For Valentine's Day. So there's that. What else? Oh, this is going to be fun. This is a little fortune teller pen. So this one says let it go. There's also have you got this, live, laugh, love, be happy, dream big, and believe in yourself. So I think this is a cool pen, and I often use pens like crazy, and that'll be a fun one to have on hand. I got a few road snacks in here because I'm heading out to California, and we've got some little cinnamon brown sugar crunchers. I can see my other snacks here. You guys, look at this. Reese's Pieces with Hershey bars. I have not seen that. And then finally my last snack here is, they were only 25 cents. I think because they have a sell-by date. No, it's just by January 2020. So only 25 cents. I love cornbread, so I thought that would be a good little road snack as well. I found one of these, and although this is cute, I will definitely be DIYing it with some paints or some DSP or something. So stay tuned for that. If you are not subscribed, you'll know that I use a lot of these. Well, you wouldn't know, but you'll find out by hitting the subscribe button that I use a lot of this stuff in DIYs, and I'm trying to do more DIYs. So we got this little doorknob hanger, but I just loved these little jingle bells. And then the last thing in this one is a hourglass pen. How cute is that? It's in that Tiffany blue color. And then when you turn it over, can you see the sand? I don't know. It's not very long. I'm thinking like 10 seconds at the most. Maybe not even that. But it's a cute little pen. So I'm telling you, I am all about pens. Alright, let's see what we've got in here. Looks like she put a bag within a bag. Oh, a couple bags in bags. So I got a couple wreath frames, so I'm going to be using those. I got the heart one. And then look at these little guys. They're so tiny. You see? You can't really tell that they're so tiny until you put something else there, but so cute. So I got those, and it comes two. So that'll make a cute little wreath. And what else do we have? I'm trying to think what's in here. Oh, yes. Speaking of tiny, you know our standbys, which I love, of these. You guys, this looks like a regular size. It's not. It's smaller than the large ones that we're used to buying. And then let me show you this one. They wrapped it so good. She did an excellent job. Look at tiny, tiny. So here we go. This one's smaller than the regular, and then look at this one. Even smaller. So I'm excited to do some DIYs on that. I wish I could get to it right away, but I am going to be, like I said, I'm going to California. My mom's having surgery. It should be an outpatient, but you never know. So look at that. It's just a little trinket tray. And I love trinket trays, but I think this will be in a DIY somehow, some way. And then here, I got some stuff that I wanted to use to make my wreaths sparkle. So I got a couple of the Valentine garland. So my plan is to be out in California and be back by next week so that I could really get all of these DIYs done for you. Maybe I'll even take them with me and do some on my trip. So I'm just going to be sitting around taking care of my mom. So, and then this is a cute little Valentine's scarf. But you guys know I will not be using it as a scarf. We're going to do something with it. I don't know. But it's so cute. So, all right. I best be on the road. I've decided I am. I'm going to take my glue gun and a few items with me and see what we can come up with for you. All right, beauties. I hope you have a wonderful day. Please give me a big thumbs up. And make sure if you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button right here. I'd love to have you as a beauty. All right. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.